Nice cafe in Ubud, check. Have you ever been in a cafe with private waterfall? Check. So, June and I are visiting one of, I can say, the most unique cafe in Bali, located in Ubud with its private waterfall. This place is really beautiful. The food are not so expensive. The location is super good. The people are very friendly, complete with Wi-Fi, so it's very good. The only thing that you have to consider is the parking lot is quite limited. So if you would like to come here with motorbike, what's up, dude? So you decided what you want to eat already?
Yes.
What? Choose something cheap.
Like a very local fish dishes, but I think it will taste good.
Okay, but cheap or expensive? We are cheap.
Cheap Charlie?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I'm cheap baby. And another thing which is surprising is that they have dedicated location to fly drone. So they really support all the YouTubers. Look at that. A private place to fly a drone and the private waterfall. Alrighty, so this is mujair nyat-nyat. It's like local fish, but what is that in English?
Um,
I don't know.
I'm not sure in English, but this is like a very common
Yeah.
white water fish.
Yeah.
I think it's like related to carp,
Maybe brother and sister, different mama, different papa.
like maybe
Step.
brother-in-law.
This is cooked Balinese style.
Yeah, this is Balinese style. A lot of spices, a lot of herbs as usual. And then if you look at the coloring,
Yeah.
almost look like a curry, but it's actually a very basic Balinese spices. Like most of Balinese food is
Like this.
like this.
What do you call this?
It's basa ganap.
That is the name of the herbs.
No, yeah,
This one is like the carp nyat-nyat.
yeah, something like that.
It's called nyat-nyat
Because of the way it's being cooked.
it's nyat-nyat. This is actually steamed.
No, it's what is it in English?
You can say that in Balinese.
I also don't know.
But basically turmeric.
Oh, it's
chili,
broiled.
Broiled. Thank you.
It's broiled.
Wow, your English. Fantastic. So what do you think? Chili?
Of course,
And
chili.
This one is
You got turmeric.
Turmeric.
You've got ginger. You've got like every herbs that you can think of. It's in here.
wow, okay. But this is look very good, yeah. And you have to eat it with rice.
Yeah. So
White rice or
White
red rice.
as Indonesian, it will not be complete if you don't eat rice.
Yeah.
Yum.
Alright, so you know where to go when you are in Ubud. Visit this place. I'll put the information in the description box and thank you for watching. Dude, Say bye bye.
I look like so messy.
No, you're so handsome.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.